everyone, let's learn some animal phrasal verbs today. Are you ready? Let's begin. Beaver away, meaning work hard doing something. Beaver away. Chicken out, meaning not doing something because you're afraid. Chicken out. Clam up, meaning become silent or to stop talking, to shut up. Clam up. Drone on, meaning talk for a long time in a boring way. Drone on. Duck out, meaning leave quickly and unannounced. Duck out. Ferret out, meaning discover information by searching for it in a determined way. Ferret out. Like. Fish for, meaning ask for or try to get something in an indirect way. Fish for. Fish out, meaning pull something out of a place. Fish out. Horse around, meaning play in a loud or rough way. Horse around. Monkey around, meaning to do things in an unserious way or to play or waste time. Monkey around. Monkey with, meaning bother or interfere with someone or something. Monkey with. Pig out, meaning eat a lot of food at once. Pig out. Rabbit on, meaning continue talking about something that is not interesting to the person you are talking to. Rabbit on. Rat on, meaning inform on to a person in a position of authority. Rat on. Squirrel away, meaning stash, hide or hoard something for future use. Squirrel away. Turn turtle, meaning turn upside down or to flip over. Turn turtle. Subscribe. Wolf down, meaning eat very quickly. Wolf down. Worm out of, meaning draw or manipulate information out of someone. Worm out of.
Hey! If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.